Hey, where's the dent? What's going on, guys? Your boy Panther Evolution, and look at this. So pretty, so clean. Man, look at that. Man, they did a good job. I had this professionally done. I didn't do the paint job. But look at that. The dent was right here. You can't even tell. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. That paint job. Man, check it out. Here's the front fairing right here. Look at that. So pretty. So clean. Man, look at that. These guys did a good job. Wow. I'm so excited. The only thing I need to do now is just put it back on the bike. Man, check out this beauty. Wow. This is a work of art, guys. Man. I was going to try to paint it myself, but I can't do it. I did a lot of research. I can't do it. I need a professional to do it. So that's what I did. I spent about $500 to get this painted. But man, they did a good job. Wow. Yeah, about 500. It was like 4 and some change, so they really did a good job. This right here, this was all white when it first came in. I ordered from Poland, overseas. And tell you what, it got here really quick. It got here like less than a week. Man. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this on the bike. Alright guys, just finished putting it all back together and take a look at this beauty. Wow, so pretty, so clean. Look at this. Yeah, this cost me a pretty penny to get everything back in order again. Wow, look at that. Love that paint job. It doesn't match the original paint, but honestly I don't care because I don't want to put too much money in this bike. I have already. Man, look at this. I love this. Alright guys, I'm about to go ahead and put this in the garage because it's about to rain. Don't forget to hit my like, subscribe, comment. Until next time, peace.